Welcome to our Excel series. In this video, we'll explore the fundamental aspects of the Excel interface, focusing on understanding the ribbon, the difference between workbooks and worksheets, and navigating cells, rows, and columns. Let's get started. The ribbon is the toolbar that runs across the top of the Excel window. It is designed to help you quickly find the commands you need to complete a task. The ribbon is divided into several tabs, each containing groups of related commands. First, let's look at the Home tab. It contains the most frequently used commands, such as clipboard operations like cut, copy, and paste, font and alignment settings, number formatting, and basic editing tools like find and replace. Next is the Insert tab, where you can insert various elements into your worksheet, such as tables, charts, shapes, pictures, and hyperlinks. The Page Layout tab allows you to adjust the appearance of your worksheet, including page margins, orientation, size, print area, and themes. The Formulas tab is dedicated to functions and formula-related commands. You can access the function library, named ranges, and formula auditing tools. In the Data tab, you'll find commands for managing and analyzing data, such as sorting, filtering, data validation, and importing data from external sources. The Review tab provides tools for proofreading, adding comments, tracking changes, and protecting your worksheet or workbook. Lastly, the View tab lets you control how your workbook is displayed, with options for zooming, showing or hiding grid lines, and freezing panes to keep rows or columns visible while scrolling. Now let's clarify the difference between an Excel workbook and a worksheet. A workbook is an Excel file that contains one or more worksheets. When you open Excel, you are working within a workbook. You can create new workbooks, open existing ones, and save your work as a workbook file such as .xlsx or .xls. A worksheet, on the other hand, is a single page within a workbook, organized as a grid of rows and columns. Each worksheet is designed to hold and organize data. By default, a new workbook contains 3 worksheets, but you can add, delete, or rename worksheets.